Hi everyone, MeghanPower from Penticton Nissan, and today I'm going to teach you about your Nissan Intelligent Key, otherwise known as the iKey. I'm going to show you the benefits and how to use this and maximize the use of our iKey. Okay, the main benefit to our iKey is actually you can keep the key in your pocket and you can walk up and push the button on the door to lock it or to unlock it. Now, in your information drive assist display, you have different ways to set up your unlocking system. On all our vehicles, when you hit it once, when it's unlocked, it will lock. You do have two options. You have selective door unlock, where when you walk up and you push it once, it unlocks the door you're at. A second time, unlocks all the doors. Now, the other option, the way that I have it set up in my vehicle, is when I walk up to the car and I push it once, it actually unlocks the entire vehicle. Another benefit to our iKey is you have the push button ignition. So as long as the key is in the car, when you come into the vehicle and you put your foot on the brake, you just have to hit the button and it starts right up. Also with our iKey, when your vehicle is locked or unlocked, it allows you to walk up and push the flatter button to open up the hatch. There are two buttons located on the back of your hatch. The flat one, which unlocks to open, and the other one, the bumpier, rigid one, is like on the door. So when I touch this, it actually locks the vehicle. Now, the key is battery powered. That one day the battery will die. When that does happen, all you do is push the little slot guy over in the back, pull the key out. You have one keyhole in the whole car on the driver's door. You unlock it, and you're into the vehicle. Once you're into the vehicle, it will tell you that you probably have the incorrect ID, key ID. When that happens, what you do is you take your iKey, you hold it up to the push button for 3 seconds, then push down like you would with your finger, just using the key instead, and it will start right up for you to come into your Nissan dealership and get a new battery for your key. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video on how to use your iKey. Hopefully you got some tips and tricks out of it to help you understand this feature a little better. If you like what you see, give it the thumbs up. And if you want to stay up to date on all my videos, just hit the subscribe button.